All AC parts have their own job, but the line set is like the unsung hero carrying refrigerant between your indoor and outdoor units, making your whole system work smoothly. So, the line set is basically a pair of copper pipes that connect your air handler inside with the condenser outside. One pipe carries the cool refrigerant gas from the outdoor unit to the indoor evaporator coil, while the other brings the warm refrigerant back outside to get cooled again. You want to keep these pipes insulated good, because if they get too hot or cold, it messes with how well your AC works. When you're installing or replacing a line set, make sure it's the right length and diameter for your specific AC model, because that affects airflow and efficiency. Also, check for leaks regularly, since any holes or cracks can let refrigerant escape, which not only hurts cooling but can be expensive to fix. If you hear hissing or notice your AC isn't cooling like before, it might be time to get those pipes checked out. Don't try to mess with the line set yourself unless you're trained, because refrigerant is tricky and needs special handling. Just keeping an eye on it and calling a pro when things seem off will save you a lot of hassle. One of the biggest issues with line sets is improper installation. If the pipes aren't cut right or connected tight, you'll get leaks that ruin your AC's performance. The fix? Always hire a licensed technician to install or repair your line set so it's sealed properly. Another common problem is missing or damaged insulation around the pipes. Without it, you lose cooling efficiency and your energy bill spikes. You can fix this by wrapping the pipes with foam insulation sleeves designed for HVAC use. Lastly, using the wrong size line set messes with refrigerant flow and causes your system to work harder than needed. The best move is to double check your AC manufacturer's specs and stick to them for pipe size and length. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors for all kinds of home fixes, including AC repairs and installations. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people needing their skills and grow their business without all the usual hassle.